Hey guys, this is a Garmin Vivoactive 3 Music with a button which is not working correctly. The device has only one button, so it's kind of critical that the button would work. I got this from a friend who had the issue with the button, so if I press the button kind of normally, like having this small motion, it should go into the start activity, but nothing happens. And my friend contacted Garmin support, and they suggested to leave the device in a glass of water overnight to see if the button would work correctly after that. That didn't really help. The button does kind of work if you press very firmly on it, then it kind of clicks and it does work, but you need to press on the button so strongly that it kind of already hurts on your finger, or if you press it with your fingernail, it's kind of doable, but it's not very handy. So if I use something to press on the button with, you can hear it is clicking, and then it is working. So I asked Garmin if they are able to replace the battery. Let's see what they come back with, but let me know down below in the comments, have you had this issue with the button not working correctly, and let me know if soaking it in water helps in your case. So the way it should work is that if you press on the button very lightly, this is a Phoenix 6, but still to demonstrate, it's a very light click and it does something. Here also there's a small movement of the button which doesn't do anything, but if you lightly click on it, makes that clicking sound. So most likely on this one, this small movement is the part which shouldn't do anything, but then that firm clicking sound, it shouldn't require that much effort to press the button down. So what I think one could try to do is remove the battery, but I wasn't able to find spare part batteries. You can find spare part like rear cases, and there are YouTube videos showing how to disassemble the device. So it doesn't have any screws in the back, and the way you need to disassemble it is through the screen. So the screen is glued on, and you need a heat gun to heat the screen, and then preferably a plastic pry tool to pry the screen open, then remove the cables and remove a few screws. After that, then you get down below where you have the battery. You can remove all the components, then you have access to the battery. But to me that seems like a lot of effort, and then you need a new adhesive and you need to glue it back on to make it waterproof again. So if you have this device and have this issue and are unable to resolve it, my suggestion is, and you don't have a valid guarantee anymore, it's expired, then I would just sell the device for spare parts, because the screen and the battery, those have still value, so you should get some money out of it selling it for spare parts. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in my current recommendation of which Garmin device to buy, go check out this video next. Thanks for watching.